Farm School needs to raise £2,500 to do some important maintenance work on our site so that we can continue to support our local community into 2023. Farm School is a mini farm within the large Shillingford Organics farm in the beautiful countryside in Devon, just outside Exeter. We offer a beautiful space for our local community to come and connect with each other, connect with the land and to their food and where it comes from.
For the last 7 years, Farm School's been giving local people opportunities to learn and grow with the land. We offer community events, visits for school children, courses for adults and children, and volunteering opportunities. Farm School's a place where people can connect with the land and learn and grow.
And that's why we need your help to raise £2,500 before the end of this year so that we can make sure that our site is in ship shape to welcome and support our local community into 2023. And remember, every donation will make a huge difference to everyone who uses our site here at Shillingford Organics Farm School. Please help us spread the word by sharing this video, and if you can, please make a donation to Farm School today.